Hey everybody, Right Wing RB here. So I got a memory upgrade for my computer yesterday, and now I'm just kind of doing just a little itty bitty video here to just to see if recording is going to work any better on my laptop. This will be the I suspect this will be the straw that breaks the camel's back to determine whether or not I need to buy a new computer. Um, but this is not my normal Tech World 2 um, world. This is a separate world that I've got going so that I can learn about the stuff. But hey, you guys might actually get to see another world that I've got going. We'll see. Um, well, if you're if you're watching this, you can see it. Um, so yeah, this is just something that I've been working on. Trying to learn how to do some different things with like a harvester, um, which is running, but it's not chopping down the tree. I don't know. I think I might have the tree a little bit too far away. We'll see. Might play with that a little bit this episode. Got myself in this world. I've got myself some piping systems. I've got a mine way down here at level 12. Plus, I also have a mine about halfway down, and I've got it set up with uh, redstone uh, redstone engines. I think it's a red. Oh, I took it out. Oh, whoa, where did I put that? Oh, anyway, iron pipes for direction, cobblestone pipes for transport. Um, Down here. Oh, hey, Cripper. Oh, crap. Darn it. How'd he get in there? Well, that sucks. That really sucked. Have to clean that up and put that all back together, I suppose. Get a torch down here. Let's get some torches down here. Need torches. Must have torches to light up world. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pipes? Where'd my pipes go? Oh, did he break my pipes? I bet he did. I bet he tore them up. Stupid creeper. Darn it. All I was doing was coming down here to show y'all something. Let's see here. Let's do this. I'll put this back here and something or other. Ah, stupid creepers. Anyway, fill that hole back in. Pick those up. Come over here. Plop. Let's see. This needs to be here. Here. Yep, lost my redstone torch. This chest is supposed to be full of cobble, and I am missing another torch. Well, okay then. Let's just put some of this stuff in here, I guess. Oh, hey, baby zombie. Stupid zombie. Dang it. Oh, I threw my sword at him, and he picked it up. Darn it. I gotta get out of here. I need to get out of here. Whoops. That's not good. Let me get out of here for a minute, because this is craziness. Oh shoot, if I do that, then I'll lose all this stuff down here. It'll all despawn. Crap. I love it when chaos ensues and... oh well. These things happen, I suppose. There, now I won't lose anything at least. Oops. So far recording seems to be going pretty good so far. Zombie voices. I hear zombie voices. He wants to eat my face. Haha. So yeah, we're at 5 minutes in the video. Looking pretty decent, I guess. Gameplay seems to be going fairly smooth. One thing I do need to do is, in this world, I have spawned in a place that really likes to have all kinds of mobs. I need to build some iron doors, I think, or some iron doors. 3, 6, 6. I think that I don't. Do I have 2 doors at the other end? I do have 2 doors at the other end, so I need 4 doors altogether. Okay. Crafting table. Let's make a bunch of doors. Oh, crap. Darn it. You know what? This is crazy. I'm not playing very well today. That's okay. You guys like seeing me screw up, I think. Haha. It's about to get dark, I think. Okay. Get them doors down real quick. Get these doors down real quick. Do a little sleepy sleep. And don't leave without building buttons. If you leave without building buttons, you're going to die. Because you'll get stuck outside of the house. Well, might as well go ahead and build the buttons now. Build a couple of pressure plates. Need some more wood so I can build some more pressure plates. Okay. I can get out now, at least on one end. And put one there. I need food. Do I have food? Oh crap, I don't have any food, do I? Where's all my food? Oh no, I don't have any food. Oh, that's not cool. Well, let's sleep. Oh. I don't think I have anything in there. No. I just did exactly what I said I shouldn't do. I just walked out without building buttons, but that's okay because I have a piece of, oh no, I don't have a piece on it. I need to make a piece of smooth stone so that I can build a button so I can get back in my house. 9 minutes, 9.5 minutes on the video, so. Okay, put this in here, build a button, go and install said button. There. Now I can get an stupid. Now I can get inside the house. Yay. Need to do that on the other side too, but first Need to find out if I have any food. No. Ooh. No. Yes. Okay. Yeah. That's what I don't. Oh, you really are gonna make me mad, aren't you? There we go. Alright, now let's come over here, throw this stuff in the furnace. 1, 2, and done. There's that. Throw that in the furnace. Done. And throw that in the furnace. Done. Good. Okay, so in this world, what I've got is I've got my smeltery. Don't think I got a few things smelted up in there. I've got some aluminum, some bronze, some iron ingots. I need to oops. I need to find out why the obsidian isn't smelting down. Might be because I need some more lava, but I doubt it, because it was having trouble even with a full full tank of lava. Aqueous accumulator, steam dynamo to power all this stuff over here. I'm going to be building more stuff. I'm going to build an induction smelter to run off of that also. We'll be doing that in the regular Tech World world also. But like I said, this is just a little random video that I'm posting just to find out what this new memory upgrade is going to do for me. I put 2 extra gigs of RAM in. That gets me to 6. I can eventually do 2 more. That'll get me to 8. Oh, I made food I didn't eat. Let's eat. There we go. Now, whoops. Let's do. Yeah, we'll eat the chicken. Full health. Come on, baby. Oh, need to cook up some more stone so I can make some more buttons. So let's do that real quick. Doesn't hurt to have smooth stone, so let's do that. Smooth stone is good. Got lots of power. I do have a battery here somewhere, I think. I think I made a battery. Where did I put that? Is it over here? Nope. Over here. Yep. I do have a battery. You know what? I'm not going to show you that here because that is something that I need to build in my normal Tech World. I haven't built that yet. So, yeah, we won't be doing that here. You'll just have to watch my normal Tech World series to find out how to build a leadstone energy cell. So there's that. Get the button. Now, out this other door, typically, there are mobs galore because of those mine shafts over there, plus it's good hiding from the sun. Yeah, good hiding from the sun, and so I want to be careful when I go out here. Done just fine. Yay. Yeah, good. Okay, 14 minutes and all seems to be well. What's my FPS right now? Yeah, not great, but not 0, so I'll take it. Yep. Excuse me. If I can stay at 20, oh wait, did I, what? Oh, yeah, I need to make another one. If I can stay at roughly, if I can stay at roughly 20 FPS regularly, I'll be happy. Um, yeah, I'll be happy with that. I think I've got some wood here. Yes, I do. Take that. We'll build a we'll build another pressure plate. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Throw those on the floor for a minute. We'll pick them up and put them somewhere. There we go. Okay. We'll bring those over here to this chest, I guess. And put that away, and put that away, and put that away. Okay. I got a place for dirt, I think. Actually, I don't think it's an actual place for dirt. I think it's just where dirt ends up going. We'll just put it in here. And wood doesn't go in here. I'm not sure how wood got in there. But we got sortation systems, we got diamond, we got redstone, we got cobble. We have lots of cobble. We have like 3 chests of cobble. Actually, let's take. We don't need to take. We just put this in here, and there, and there. Oop! How'd that aluminum get in there? Get that out of there. Boom. Oh, and we've got gravel in there too. Gravel shouldn't be in there. Done. There. That should be all cobblestone now. Same thing with this one. This should be all cobblestone. And it is. Need to spread out my sortation on that a little bit more. Sort out gravel and flint. Anything that's not assigned to a chest goes into this one. There's more wood there. How'd that get in there? Need a chest for each of the individual ores. Oh, we got rubber in there. Don't need that in there. I don't know how that got in there either. Glass. Get that out of there. That Certus dust is really awesome. You can build a quartz pick out of it, and it can mine diamond. It doesn't have to be iron to mine diamond. There we go. Okay, we're at 18 minutes, and we're doing good here. I think we're doing all right. We're going to try and make it to 30. If we can do a 30-minute episode on this new memory upgrade, man, that's going to be great. I'll take it. You know, just kind of checking things out, like I said. I need to build this a little higher, because the higher you build this smeltery, and we'll talk more about the smeltery in my other series, but the higher you build this smeltery, the more material you can put in it. I don't know that there's an actual height. If anybody knows if there's an actual height maximum for this thing, I would love to hear it. I think we probably better. How am I doing on coal? I think I've got 33 pieces of coal in the steam dynamo, and it's not running anything right now, so everything's all charged up. Yeah. This dark back here. We don't want dark. Dark's no good. Put a light back there. Yep. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I am going to take some of this. No, I don't. Well, yeah. I'm going to take some of this wood and turn it into charcoal, so I can make more torches and stuff. Because I do have some dark spots in here that I need to clean up. Preview frame rate. Huh? I'm looking at my. I use Simple Screen Recorder. I run Linux for my operating system, and some of the computer that I've been posting my normal Tech World videos from is actually my wife's computer, and it runs Windows, and I have Camtasia for that, and I'm actually playing around with Fraps too, because everybody that does gaming videos, they swear by Fraps, so I'm going to give it a try and see how that works. But one of the things that Camtasia does that I don't like is when you have to pause a video, like in my last Tech World video, I had to make that almost 3,000 block voyage across the sea. I didn't want you guys to just sit there through that, so I cut the video. Well, every time you cut the video in Camtasia, it stops the recording and renders out the video and kind of makes it so that you can't really do anything else. Fraps doesn't do that. It stops and renders out the video, but you can just keep right on going. Same thing with Simple Screen Recorder. If I want to stop the recording, all I got to do is hit pause, and I'm good. So I kind of like that. Yeah, we're at almost 22 minutes now, 21-ish, and I'm not experiencing any major issues with gameplay. Do I see anything creepy out here? I need to light this up out here so that nothing spawns out here. That'll make things a lot nicer. But again, this is just my piddle around world, so I can try things and learn about them before I try to post them on YouTube. But yeah, this is going decent. I didn't build, no, I haven't built it in here yet. I haven't built my hammer in this world yet. Some of this limestone actually do. Oh, coal! Hey, need that. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Get this coal up here. Oops, just killed my torch. That was brilliant. Put that torch on the ground or something. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Put the torch right down here. Light up this space a little bit. Yes, please. Yeah, this is going good. I think I'm happy. And in the next couple of weeks, I'll be getting the other 2 gig memory chip. The place that I ordered them from didn't have a big stock of them, but they said that they would have some more of the 4 gig chips in. My laptop had 4 gigs. It was two 2 gig chips, but it'll hold 8. So I bought a 4 gig, left a 2 gig in. That gives me 6. Now, as soon as they get the others off back order, then I'll have 8 gigs. Yeah, have 8 gigs altogether. So let's make some torches. We need some torches. Torches, anyone? Yes, please. Put some there, put it there. Light that all up. Make it so that nothing gets all creepy back there. Come back here, put one up there. Boom. Yes, please. I hear things. Also, I think I posted this in one of my other Tech World videos, but the mini map up here in the corner used to display mobs, and I hit a key or something and did something, and now it doesn't. If any of you can figure out what I need to, because all of the wikis and everything, they say just hit M and everything will come back. Well, I've done that and it doesn't work. So if any of you know anything that could help me out on that, I would be so gracious, because I want to be able to show the game in all of its be able to play the game the way it was designed to be played, and without that mini map and without the mini map doing what it's supposed to do, it doesn't doesn't work out real well. So, um, so yeah, if any of you can come up with any ideas, I would be so grateful. That would be a huge help to me. Um, leave a comment, provide a link in the comments or whatever to whatever wiki you might have found that talks about it, and I'll go check it out because like I said, I want this to work. I want this to work the way that it's supposed to, and things are getting better. Viewership is rising. Lots of likes on the video. Keep that up. On the videos, keep that up, please. Please, please keep that up. That helps me out more than you guys will ever know. Hello, zombie. I see you over there. I see you. Would you want to come and play with me? No, I don't want to come and play with you because there's probably other things out there ready to kill me. um, we're going to be building some cool things in the other Tech World video. We're going to be building, like I said, a leadstone energy cell so that we can store energy better. We're going to be building an induction smelter. We're going to probably build a jetpack so that we can get back and forth between that other mainland that we talked about and stuff. Um, got some cool things in store for that other video. Hello, zombie. Hi. Hello. How are you? You want to get me, don't you? You can't. There's a big door in your way. You can't get me. Nanner, nanner, nanner. um, well, folks, I would call this a success so far. We're at 27 minutes, and so I think I'm gonna call the video here, and I thank you guys so much for sitting there and listening to me ramble on a little bit about memory upgrades and stuff. Um, oops, apparently my inventory's full. Jungle wood, oak wood, figures, dirt, dirt, dirt. Well, all right, let's go put stuff away. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for sitting there and listening to me ramble on about memory upgrades and things that I've got going on. It means a lot to me that you guys are participating in my channel and helping me to hopefully become a success. So thank you so much once again. Right Wing RB here. Till next time, should be a new Tech World 2 video up probably tomorrow. Today's Easter Sunday, and the family's not quite awake yet, so I'm taking this opportunity for peace and quiet to get some work done. You guys have a great holiday. Enjoy your time with your family. If you celebrate Easter, you know, enjoy what it's all about, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.